What can you say about your food? What? How about it, Chan? Eat first, ha? Or else I'm gonna get your tablet. Jello Ray, request granted. What did you say? Nothing? No, thank you for mommy. Welcome. Eat first, ha? No punas, hindi na tayo mag-clean.